Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare Zero Trust for SaaS security detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Cloudflare Zero Trust for SaaS security, you first need to log in to your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, navigate to the Zero Trust dashboard. Click on the Applications section in the left-hand menu. From there, select Add an application. Choose the type of application you want to secure, such as SaaS. In the application settings, enter the required information, including the application name and URL. Next, configure the identity provider settings if necessary. Set up user access policies to define who can access the application. You can assign specific user groups or individual users based on your organization's requirements. It is advisable to define access rules based on user identity and device posture. After configuring access policies, proceed to set up session controls. Session controls can help monitor user activities within the application. Once you've adjusted all settings to your preference, review the application configuration. If everything is correct, click on Save to finalize the setup. Next, test the application to ensure everything is working as intended. Log into the application using an account that falls under the defined access policies. Verify that the access rules are enforced correctly and that users experience seamless authentication. After successful testing, make necessary adjustments based on user feedback. Finally, monitor the application regularly for any security events or user access issues. This ongoing monitoring will enhance your SaaS security posture over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.